Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to send voice message on Discord. So if you belong to a Discord server or a Discord channel, and now you want to send a voice message or you want to send a voice message directly to your friends and family on Discord, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to send voice message on Discord, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. Now, once you open the Discord app on your phone, the next thing you want to do here is you want to click on the message icon at the top left. Then you should see all your friends here. Then locate the friend you want to send a voice message to, like this. Then click on the message box. And now, for you to be able to send a voice message to this your friends, all you just need to do is click on this microphone icon. Then swipe up to lock it. Then you can now go ahead and leave a voice message. Hey girl, good morning, how are you? How was your night? So the meeting is by 10 and I will pick you up at the station. Then click on send. You can also delete the message before you send it by clicking on the trash icon just before the voice note. Then you can now go ahead, listen to the message. Is that? And the message is going to play. So that is exactly how to send voice message on Discord. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.